cook. If I cook egg, it's that look good. Cooking to you. This is only 20 pesos. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 pieces for 20 pesos. Okay, it's getting dark. Of the Baguio City. It's flu season now. It's cold, everyone's getting sick, so be healthy, everyone. It's cold. Hello, everyone. Good day. It's me, Louis Carpuz. Welcome to Baguio City. Today we are gonna go to BIR. We're gonna walk. We're gonna try to get police clearance, and we're gonna walk going to Quarry. Let's go. So we are now walking. We're going down the market first, upper market, then we'll go to BIR. Let's go. We are here in Camp Allen. This is my usual walk. We're going to the left, going down to the market, and when I'm alone, I don't really drive. I just walk. But when I'm gonna bring my son to school, it's the time I drive. So now I'm just walking. It's faster. I don't have to deal with looking for parking spaces. So let's go. Malcolm Square. DSWD Emergency Shelter. Nice. That's the biggest watch in Baguio City. YMCA Baguio. G1 Lodge. Curious Coffee Company. There. You always need to pass by pedestrian lanes. Safer. That's BIR. We're going there. Let's go. Number 46 BIR. Oh, nice. We're done in the BIR. Thank you, BIR. The women in the BIR, they're very helpful. Thank you. More blessings to all of you. So we just came from BIR. We're going back down to Session Road. And we'll go to Middle Quarry. We're gonna walk going to Middle Quarry from here, Burnham. We are here in Harrison Road. Okay, hello everyone. We are here in Melvin Jones Grandstand. So we're gonna walk going to Quarry. We already went to BIR. The women there who are assisting are very helpful. Thank you. Here, just gonna walk. Behind me is SM. They say it's walking distance. Yes, it's walking distance for locals, but for other people, we are gonna get tired just walking from here going there because it's an uphill. Okay, this is the bike area in Burnham. We're gonna walk going to Middle Quarry. This is the shortcut from Legarda going to City Camp. We are already here, City Camp. We are already here. That's Middle Quarry. So we walked from Camp Allen to BIR to Middle Quarry. So after that, we will walk again from Middle Quarry to Camp Allen again. So it's walking time every day. We're going up this again. After this steep climb, we will be in Middle Quarry. We are already here in Middle Quarry. Hello everyone. We just arrived here in Middle Quarry. Let's go inside and rest first. We just walked. We walked. Wan, mapanak may palengke. Jai. Wan, di bale. Bye-bye, ma. Love you, ma. We're already in Ligarda. Sizzling plate.